If you've been struggling to pass challenges, that's probably because you don't understand how powerful risk management and sizing is in the context of prop firms. So what we're going to do to prove that risk management is everything is we're going to literally flip a coin to choose whether we go long or short and take completely random trades and show that you can make a profit if you have sized your orders properly. So if we look at this data, there's just some historical data. We imagine we're on a Lucid account. So what we've done here is, for our trade template, we are risking 1,000, no, not 1,000, 100 ticks, because it's not, that would be $1,000 if we're doing minis. So 100 versus 64 ticks. The reason for that is if we're doing like gold minis, that 100 ticks is going to be $1,000, which is your entire account on a 25k Lucid account. This is going to be $640, which is about half of your target, because your target is 1,250. So if you're right twice in a row, if you're wrong once you lose the account. If you're right twice, then you win the challenge. So what we're going to do is we'll just skip forward a little bit, and then we're going to flip a coin. So clear this history, flip a coin, we got tails. So we're going to sell, and there we go, we hit our target. So that was a correct target, but we have to be right twice in a row before we actually win an account. So we'll go forward a little bit more. We flip a coin, we got tails, so we're going to go short. And so we lost that, so that's one lost account. Because you only need one loss to lose an account, and you need 2 wins in a row to win the challenge. So we're going to skip forward a bit. We're going to flip, we got tails, so we're going to sell. Alright, so we're not going to write that down because that's not, because we need to get 2 in a row. So we won that. We got tails again, so we're going to sell again. And we lost that, so that's 2 lost accounts. Then we're going to skip forward some more. Flip, heads, we buy, and we lost, so that's 3 losses. And we skip forward a bit. And flip, tails, we sell. Alright, so we won that, but we need to win another one. So we flip the coin, heads, we buy, we win, so that's 2 wins in a row, which means we win the account. So right now we've done 4 accounts and we've won 1 out of the 4. We're expecting to win overall 1 in 3. The way that this works is the more you do, the more it averages out to your expected value. So we flip, we got tails, we sell. And we won that, so we skip forward a bit more. Tails again, so we sell again. We won that, so that's 2 in a row. So now we've won 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5 is 40%. What we actually expect, when I say 1 in 3, is actually about 37-38%, but I'll just say about 1 in 3. Alright, so now let's flip the coin. Tails, I get the feeling we're going to lose this one, but we'll see, because we're doing it completely randomly. So we lost that. So we've lost 4 and we've won 2. So that's 2 out of 6, which is 1 in 3 so far. We're going to skip forward a bit more. Heads, so we buy. It would choose now to start coming back down, wouldn't it? So that's 2 out of 7 that we've won. We've lost 5. Flip. Heads. We buy again. And we won that. Flip again. Tails. We sell. Alright, and we won that. I didn't actually see that we just plummeted like that. So that's another overall win. So we've won 3 out of 8. We might as well just do 10 accounts. So we skip forward a bit more. Flip the coin. Heads, so we buy. And I mean, we bought even though we were flying down like that. But as I said, we're going to do it randomly. So that is a lost account. So we've won 3 out of 9. Tails. So we sell. And we won that. So this is our last account. Tails. So we sell again. And so on our last account, alright, so we won that because we got 2 wins in a row. So we ended up pretty much spot on. So we've done 10 accounts and we won 4 of them. The expected win rate is about 38%. So that's about 3.8 out of 10. We got 4 out of 10. In real life, it doesn't always work out that perfectly. But the point here is, if you've been struggling to pass challenges and you've been taking ages to like meticulously like size your stuff and like, oh, I'm gonna protect and take these tiny things and blah, this is literally, if you're on Lucid and you literally do this at this size, if you go on Lucid and you literally flip a coin, then you just do a trade on one day, flip the coin, you either blow or pass, and then you trade the next day if you not blow or pass, blow or win that trade. Then on the next day you do the same thing. If you're right, then you blow or pass, and literally you can win like on average around 3 to 4 out of 10 accounts doing literally that. So if we layer in on top of that an actual strategy that works, then you're going to pass a lot more. The thing is, with prop firms, you can kind of create an artificial edge. You wouldn't be able to just do this on real trading, but on prop firms there's an artificial edge in the sense that you're paying a fee to get access to someone else's capital. It's not literally that, but I mean, it gives you access to trade with more capital. So if this is something that you want to learn more about, plus understanding how to do it when you do get to the funded account, because the sizing is a little bit different on the funded account, then put a comment below if you want to find out how to do that. Besides that, we're doing we're planning on doing a lot more in the Discord. Right now you can win a free challenge by going to our Discord and telling us what your biggest challenge with prop trading is, and you'll get the chance to win this challenge. So if you go to the link in the description, you'll see instructions on how to do that. So hopefully this was helpful, and like and subscribe if you want more stuff like this. Comment if there was anything that was unclear or that you have anything you want to say.